Hello traders, welcome back to Startyfx channel. If you're new here, kindly like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Make sure you watch my previous videos to know 2 or 3 strategies. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to navigate the trading view for Deriv. Also, I'll do for later trading view for Forex. So let's head to our new tab. Here you just need to search Deriv TradingView. So after you have searched, we need to choose the first one here written charts.deriv. So we click here. So, and the good thing about the trading view for Deriv, you don't need to create an account. You can use it as it is. So it usually opens like this, as you can see in my screen. So the next thing that you need to do, if you want to change your volatility, let's say you want to volatility 150, the first thing that you need to do, you need to come here written R25, then you click here on Deriv, and then here you search, you write, let's say you want 100, you just need to write 100 and then you choose the one you want. So let's say we choose that one for 100. So you can see, so if you want to 50s, you just write 50 and then you choose this one 50s. So it's so simple. If you want to change the minute, you just need to click here. So if you want to trade using 1 minute, 2 minutes, you choose here. So let's say we want to use 1 minute. So as you can see, it has changed. It wasn't the same as for 24 hours. So if you want to compare, so let's say you want to compare for volatility 100s. If you want to compare between 50 to with 100, you just need to click here. For that, I won't do that because for me, I usually advise someone to just use one trade, and if you have finished with that one, you can shift to the next one. So here for indicators, you just need to click here for indicators and choose the one that you want. So let's say you are interested in using moving average, so you just write the name of moving average. So here it is, and then you click here. As you can see, it has appeared on our chart. So let's say you are interested to use MACD, you just need to click here and it will appear here. Also, if you want to edit the settings of the indicator, you just need to click here on setting. So let's say you are interested of the length of using 20, so you just delete and then use, let's say 21. You click 21. As you can see, it have shifted the length. So after that, so let me remove them. So after this top one, we just need to click on here. So for you to use a trend line, you click here. If you want to click to use a trend line is used to maybe join these dots, use the not dots, sorry, these candlesticks, that's a trend line. So if you're interested to use an arrow to maybe show it's going up like that, you can use it like that. So if you're interested to use any of these horizontal, it's used to draw the support and resistance. So like that, you can just, if you want to increase the size, you just come here to 1p. If you want it to be so, as you can see, it's more, let's say we want to reduce to 2px, yeah, like that. So let me delete this one. I'm just highlighting the most important that maybe you can use in your chart. So this one here, it's not so much used, but people here use FIB retracement. For this one, let's say we want to use it until the end of our direction. So let's say here, but this one you just need to adjust the settings. So after that, you come here it's for rectangle. So let's say maybe you want to mark the fair value gap, you use this rectangle one. So as you can see, example like that one. So I'm just highlighting for this one. For circle also, for path it's used like that. You want to show a direction. So instead of connecting, let's say 5 trade lines like that, like example, that's an example. So let me delete it. So after that, another one. So here I don't think you can use, but if you want to use, you can just come here, practice, or maybe try to see if they can help you. So for the text, maybe you want to maybe name this one fair value gap. You just write it, fair value gap. That's what text is used for. If you want to change color, you can just choose there. Let's say we want to change to red. Then okay, as you can see here, it has come here to show this is our fair value gap. Okay, so those, I think those are the important. But if you want to maybe example, you are trading with MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. This one it's used for long position and short position. Long position, it's when you're buying. So let's say you bought here. So this one is, it's usually helps to maybe measure your take profit and your stop loss. Here below it's your stop loss, your entry point is here, and your take profit it's on the upper side. So the same way for sell side. So if you want to maybe, let's enter here, you just need to do that. Stop loss here, entry point, and then your take profit. Also, another thing that you need to understand, or maybe you want to know here for the candlestick, you can choose to use bars, hollow candles, so as you can see here. So let's choose a line, as you can see. So particularly if you want to use any, you just need to choose, as you can see here, for Heikin Ashi, it usually shows you the most momentum here. As you can see here, buying pressure was so much, but it's a bit different with the candlesticks. As you can see, you see, let me show you with Heikin Ashi. You see, yeah. So let's go back to what we were using with our candlesticks, the normal one for candles. So if you want to show the left minutes of the, or the left seconds in your candlestick, you just need to click here, this circle here, click, and then click on count bar to bar close. As you can see, it's going to show you how many seconds are left here. As you can see, 3, 2, 1, and then the next bar starts. As you can see here, it's showing 2 minutes and 56 seconds. So that's it for today, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And if you want to join my Telegram group, you can click on the link on my description. And also, I'm going to give anyone that is going to create a real account and deposit more than $2 5 ebooks, so that you can learn forex and also binary. And don't forget, those ebooks, I bought them when I was learning forex and binary. I'm just going to give anyone that's deposit more than $2 using my link in my description after you have joined my Telegram group. After that, I'm going to send you their ebooks. So see you in my next video, and bye.